Good day everyone, and welcome to the Best Online Tutorials channel. In this one I will show you how to quickly and easily change language in Google Gemini. So for you to know straight away guys, you can't do it exactly in Gemini because Gemini actually pulls the language settings from your Google account and doesn't have them separately in here. So as you can see, wherever I go in here, it's not the case. In settings, let's see, as you can see, it's nowhere here to be found. Also in the usual and general interface, also nowhere to be found. So you just need to go to this address, so myaccountgoogle.com. Then you go to personal info, and in here we find the language setting. As you can see, it's right inside this my account settings. And instead of the preferred language that I have set, I can just click on add another language, right? And for example, search for Denmark, say Dansk. There you go, Dansk. So this is going to be Danish. And after that, you can just set it to Danish, maybe Japanese, I don't know, Chinese, whatever you wish. And your entire interface in Google, just throughout, including Gemini, will now be in a different language. Pretty easy to do, guys. Enjoy the video, guys, and of course, subscribe.